KUMASI ABRANTE3. KUMASI ABRANTE3. Mina mi bano. Mentum batambe dia gurami dinimi unanso.
Bro, can you be careful when driving?
Sorry.
You always hit me with a car.
Sorry. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Sheila, right?
Who are you?
My name is KUMASI ABRANTE3.
Who's KUMASI ABRANTE3?
I'm the guy who was supposed to sell the land to you for the gold business.
I don't remember you.
You don't remember me?
No. Probably you changed.
That is kind of jokes. You don't remember me?
I don't know. Can you try to remind me?
I met you and your brother or your friend the other day. We were discussing about a certain land you want to use for gold business in Obuasi, Africa or Ghana. When it comes to land issues, if you don't get a right source.
I don't have time. Can you speed up?
I understand.
Okay.
If you don't go with the right source, trust me, you're gonna spend your money without getting anything. This guy you met me with.
Which guy are you talking about?
I've been trying to reach you to discuss one or two things with you.
I don't have your number, so I didn't see any call from you.
Okay. The guy is very poisonous. I mean, he's python. He just wants to dip you.
How sure are you?
You don't know.
No. Listen, are you also trying to change my mind?
No. What do you mean? Change your mind?
Yes, because I've heard the same story from him.
About me?
Yes.
God damn it. You see, this is the things that KUMASI ABRANTE3 I hate to hear. Because, listen,
what do you mean by that?
We belong to the royal family in Ghana. Otumfo Asante Hene. Do you understand? So Ashanti region, all the land here belongs to us. Do you know what he told me the other day?
No.
He told me we should dupe you and take your money.
No. I trust him 100%. He told me that the last time you guys was talking to me, you told him in your language that, okay, she has money, so let's try and get some money from her. That's what he told me. So how sure are you?
No, just look at me. Look at me.
Do you want me to call him?
No, you can confirm from him. Like, look at me. Do I look like a scammer or someone who dupe people?
Probably you could be dressed nicely, but you have a bad intention to
No, come on.
I can't trust you.
Please. You can't tag me with that.
I shouldn't tag you yet?
No, I'm very innocent.
So how sure, sure are you that he's trying to poison my mind about you?
Sweetheart, listen to me. If you want to acquire the land and start your gold business, just follow me. Trust my words. I'm going to help you. I'm going to get you workers, Chinese people who are going to assist you. I'm going to do that for you. But this guy, trust me, don't trust him. He's planning something poisonous with some guys about you. Yes.
To do what to me?
This is roadside.
Okay.
And if you believe me, I will take you to my uncle. That's Utumfo Setutu. That's Antehime.
I would love to meet him too. I admire him a lot.
That's nice. I will do that.
Okay.
If only you can trust me.
With trust, since what he told me, you're also saying a different thing. I don't know who to trust now.
That guy is poisonous and he wants to suck your blood. I mean, if you don't take care, he will take all your money. And at the end, you might end your life. Yes.
So I would end up committing suicide or something?
He is going to, he's going to call guys on you. After taking your money, they are going to end your life. That's what I know that they are planning.
But he's been real to me since day one.
He's total fake. 100% fake. Trust me. Sweetheart, see, this place that you are standing, I don't think it's safe because I know you have been spying your moves and all that.
Okay.
Just join me and let's have conversation.
All right, dear. Okay.
Come on.
Minami bano, maweni na ho na meba. KUMASI ABRANTE3 mini. Itu kwa imbe pesika. Na menye bia kwa busia. KUMASI ABRANTE3. Epeni fubu baby say. Ati say bia kuko.
Stella, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to do this, yeah?
What's going on?
Yeah, you heard me making a phone call, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, there is also a guy who wants to purchase the land. I decided to give you.
Why?
And I think...
Is my money not enough?
Yes, because he's paying 2 times 2 of your money.
I'm going to pay times 5.
No, I don't think I can do this.
Why?
Because I've been thinking about 1 or 2 things you discussed with me. You don't know me.
Right.
Yes, you don't know me. And I just realized, fine, you are a business lady. So since you have a business mind, let me help you so that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. But since that imposter is
listen, don't try to put his blame on me. Whatever he did, I was just trying to, I don't know anybody around. He was trying to help me. So I had to listen to him, okay? I had to listen to him. So can you try calm down so we sort things out, please?
I think this guy has called my uncle. That's the king of Ashanti.
Please.
He has already called him, so I don't think I can give you the land.
Please.
You want to give to that guy.
Don't do that to me, okay? Please. Do you want me to be on my knees?
No.
It's not necessary?
Yeah, it's not.
Please. I need that land for my work.
But
that's the reason I came to Ghana. Please.
You can look somewhere else.
I don't know anywhere else to go. Like, I don't know where to go. I don't know where I'm going to go, like, if I don't get this. Please.
Excuse me. I can't do this.
You should be able to help me.
Oh, this is not right. Come on.
Please.
Because this guy is paying times 2 of...
And I said I'm going to pay times 5. Not times 3, not times 4, times 5.
You do know something. Let me discuss it with my old boy, then see if he can.
How long is it gonna take?
Give me like 3 days and let's see.
Can you call him now?
No, I can't call him unless I go to him.
So you're gonna go to the palace?
Yes, I have to go with.
Can I come with you? Probably he's gonna change his mind when he sees me.
Do you know something? He's not somebody that I can take you to him just like that. Oh. There are some things I need to do before.
So I have to make an appointment or something?
Yeah, sure. So as of now, just go and relax, yeah? I will go to him with snap and beg him if he can give it back. So don't worry. If anything, I'll just...
You just scared me.
No, I'm not, but I'm just trying to be real.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because now I trust you more than I do trust my friend.
It's fine. It's fine. I'll do something about it.
You sure? Yeah. Because I'm not going to call him again. I'm not going to do nothing with him again.
I don't want you to call him again.
So I should delete his number, everything?
That is it. If you really want us to do business, ignore him.
All right.
That's the only thing I think I want you to do.
Yeah, I'm convinced now.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, but don't think I want to do something. That is why I'm saying all this to convince you. No. I'm trying to be real. Do you understand? But as of now, like I was saying, let me discuss it with my old boy. Do you understand? Yeah, so...
So you said 3 days?
Yeah, 3 days.
I'm going to call you on the 3rd day.
Don't worry.
First thing in the morning.
Don't worry.
I don't want no stories.
Don't worry.
Because you've been able to convince me enough.
Trust my words, yeah?
You sure?
Yeah, trust my words. So I think... let me drop you.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. You're such a gentleman.
Thank you. That's why I'm called KUMASI ABRANTE3.
That's nice of you.
I'm going to tell you, I'm going to go. Hey, What's that? Someone else, ah. Well, I make sense. We're no more. We're banning on the pool. Now we're now good. So we are. Now we're now on the side. That's it. Fabra! Hey, Fabra! Fuck! Don't try to keep my officer. We're going to say one more name because I don't know. We know. Okay, equipment will be out. Oh, baby.
Very tedious. They don't
Babe. One more is going bad 30 years. It's minimum. We can't go to some bit low. Diana car on anything. It's the whole tennis. Uni. The attorney said, also, I'm a castle. The last time, Nami Jim Kumobi, I was camping and I'm a castle and person. Miss Yan to almost his cabin then. Babe, trust me, or more true. And I don't want to do that. Yes, I don't want to do it because me for me 50% in here. Like, mommy 20% can I for me so I will see baby. Maybe person me job my life mom.
There be a Juma discover my job a job my life for
Never see some me. Because I mean my baby can invest because now when you run over battery. What I say, enemy see amano into enemy flow as soon as we are and on no discover because if you had equal in an me see can day. What I say
no pesca.
Yeah, and can me pesca be them there finish they are start but menya sure say me no me here usika say me
that's saying that me baby so the way I know we see you for first time need the same can no can hold you because contractors for need there be more the 70%
Scout but mo adwuma be tena ma di kan invest wo and na minim say we ni sika na bi a kire so a next 2 months beba but when I say me start and say na 2 months na so
so person me more bosia and
so betia bombesia so benya be 100,000 mama.
That's 1 billion old currency.
Yeah, come on, me pay bibi dia ka hona. Me dia start. So mu sa ma start am mo pressure mo discount. And then ka sa 100,000 me try no dey be transfer Friday am. Oh yeah, sure. Do ba bo am.
Yeah, me bo. Bebe enye e bi ochina.
Oh, it's okay. Anytime be officer be. Babe, my men show me na me nyewe. Yeah. Ade amoya no. Yeah, ja wurma.
Ona mo tse.
Oh, na da ro me won kwan dia. Bibia ye bako.
Ti enkomo no so ayi dia akosise.
Yeah, no ti kra na ma me bae no. Oh sir, KUMASI ABRANTE3 say emfa isumasin nye diwisi dia. Me best so mako habo
ngwane mejudi
yeah mako habo on se me wo agent bebre a containers na ne enema bia na bia no metumi no mo edidi nkomo na bia duty no aso bete kakra ni na ne se bepe bibi ade ato baabi na dia mbete free so na bia be chem ni no ni amom half na afa baako enti no me no mo didi nkoma titi o mo nu mo nsama I think o mo di obi o mo dey ma me no trust me ababwa enti no me no mo pani baako akasa the no person chere say so far as a container ni na meduru ya no if I'm able to settle them now before I sign a container na bank ababwa so
to settle them I know.
Yeah, to settle them when they said now, no. ebe pe bibi kakra de ebe choke wo before ansana container naba container ni duty no ye check ye ni nyina na ye I think 600,000 Ghana cedis which is 6 billion but me no omo didi omo no ne ne ma bi no omo atumi aye ye woni me bia me na bi si 480 into 480 no
it is 1.2 billion
every so into 1.2 no as I say you chim na yama omo half and we are the omo ankasa na ejeti aso na ye nso na ya fa half yes ana ban san so a clearance na be quick one enko ye kwana bra bia enya beduru na apa na omo ye
we sure say asembia ma
oh debi eya de ya we've been doing this for long bijim kwafo containers mom nipa bebre
Nancy na buy no watoto ne ma no too much da bia me yi ne ma
okay
e ba metime yi no correct all right but
sure
ene ma na o matoto ne nti
yeah
esa na profit ni nyina
ekodi clearance
nti se wetima ye ho we bia ma me
any problem nipa no recommend me ma no me say obeda na se me business the new part entem na me wie yeah
Waba correct time because this time port no ko ho a ko ne bra fa ha se akoyi ni sika betuatua na nyina
betuatua so kra no ahwe timi bi no kra na one ma no kra pa sa ko ebibi ho nti no me timi no mo akasa
se wobetima yi ne ntem na afi sika no so better there I think it's a good deal
fantastic
until
how an company for no see can say if any many ya na timi epe bibi de lock o I think say you check container no tracking no I am say next week we be do. Yeah so any many ya no if you bit me you be bin tentem.
Can you put you an intem
fast cra.
Be do habo na no wa
e buy na be cra the next day actually so be 2 days 3 days. Na ewie and I say the low bed be so na page bibi esim na e kono.
Okay. So bibia ni actually there.
Bibia ni actually.
Because me to me me near dada.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. And mama be inti say na say the ma
for now I think your mom be 20-30,000 at the local omo yeah na container ne bedura omo wie bibia yatamesika so na dey be kumase no then the balance of 30,000 account.
Okay. All right. And na me name say no we banti.
Okay.
Me ho ju banti mama ochina.
All right.
Na ochina chi. Ochina me ho ju me ga deska.
Okay.
Nto ochina chi no. Na wafa.
Nice
one. I just can't do it.
Nice one.
And Pesebe daily cry.
Sure.
There, said name and book myself.
And tem. And now, near Mano Crano, met me na client am one bet me to be tentem. Amanako.
Yeah, Daniel. The boss. At the same. I made the sober. Memo check bi quiz ke bi abeto. Abrante na oba sisi ano hu.
Ko da bi no se ka bi pie de ba me.
Oh okay. Onne abrante opese obo memo bi containers.
Oh okay.
Na o hia sika kakra akoyade. Anti ofri a bedroom na bre me check no.
Oh okay.
Na me sai ma me koyi 30,000 beto. Ba oso go babaji by ukoyi na ochina ko abeto a Friday and a power babaji.
Okay, so be no chinana.
Oh, me so mra Friday into ochina betimi akoye ska no wadwa na de abeto. Anti Friday and opano. We babaji no de akoye won adwuma se de be ya. Goose no bedru tema emre ho.
Okay. Me bo modin aso se nyambo chinana. E bo modin aso me kwa kuyi. Se banko ai se me konta. So ana mi bawo. Ti me konta na kuyi babeto.
The Hianis can be drew free. Right. So, me peso be bana, e cancel for fresh.
Bomodi.
Hello, Bra. Ah, now what I don't know. Ah, who any pabaya? Ah, me bow my bed, you know, Sam, who's old now. Oi, Major Johnson before. I thought me deal with time. Why? I always see me time. Me see me Gina Junction so. That way pan I will link me a mobile. Ah, just a me be train nipa no wa say. Abraham me work clients wo cool. Me be me buy him. I'm not taking a crown saying. I want me baby a crassy way.
Hello.
Hello, bra.
Yes.
Pacho me no wait me akasa.
Pacho.
Oti KUMASI.
Pacho my busy pa o.
Oh, Pacho. Pacho. Oti KUMA.
Let me tell you.
Pacho ni bra bia friend Shanzi.
Shaizi.
Yem Pacho ai.
Ado ai dey.
Oh, me hwehwe no na me be twa ne wo ha se ba me se me ba se network na nye. My friend is also oba onye mbai. Pacho ni bebe otiana. Oh, uni baby ote.
Wo hwe Shaizi.
Pacho ai.
Wona na meka sana.
Wona ye Shaizi no. Hey. Ana wrong client. Pacho so na ye Shaizi. Okay, Pacho, wadan for being a directive was.
Me kula me frɛ phone ba me di jato.
Okay, baby, ho. So ni me yi nkomo on nipa ne di e no anti na maba. Pacho e besi me akompente.
Si me frɛ phone ba kula me di jato to ana ko ne ba na na network ne yesa. Timbesa me come ma me wo.
Yanko, I so always me time, Pacho. Me deal with time o, Pacho. Yanko. Bra.
Come ma me wo ba.
Ah. Na bra, na wo de me be mo bia.
Ura shame den. The queen de so sen me.
Misa me frɛ guy no kra me de me pen nsem hu se.
Ma bu mfu. Ah, age me nsem. Say boy.
Yanko.
Ake yanko.
Ada what to say?
Hey, yanko. Pressure.
Yanko. Who waste me time o?
Abese yanko. Kanko. Go.
Ada what to her? And the assembly crazy. I am obi me. Oh.
You Delilah. Go.
Yeah.